we're gonna get that tractor right there, up and out of there. So the plan to get it out of the lower field down there is to unload that trailer there, this black one. We're gonna back it up, unload it. We're gonna use the F350 over there. We're gonna go ahead and grab that, back it down there. We're gonna try and pull it up to the top. And that requires going over the lower road down here and grabbing it. Stay tuned.
There and perfect.
Whoops. Get over here behind me. You got it. You got it. Keep coming. I smell that diesel. Woo! You smell that?
Yeah.
Smell like diesel.
What?
Way back. Back up. Keep coming. Turn the other way. That's good, baby. We need one on this side, guys.
I'm gonna watch it bring it to that side. This side.
Oh, that's a pretty decent one.
That good?
That one's pretty good. Yeah, that one's better. Let's replace it. That one's better. Tuck it up in there.
Stop stepping on my head.
All right. Let's get it off here.
Why don't you take it off then?
Pull this one out. Let's flip this up.
You gotta unscrew it.
You got the smart end, Lily. Go the other way. Going the wrong way. That lie.
Someone got the wrong jeans.
Get the washer.
Go ahead. I got it.
Pull it off there. All right. Put those back together. But it smells good.
Go forwards.
Max, get in the truck. Close it.
How you doing?
All right, we're about ready to pull forward. Let me go double check.
Pull a track that.
All right, let's go get that tractor. All right, keep going. All right, this tractor's been sitting a little while. So if you don't know the backstory and you haven't seen the other videos, when we were building the pool down here, we got the Dodge stuck right over there. And I brought this down to pull the Dodge out. Blew the clutch on the show tractor. And so we're selling the show tractor. Try and fund paying for all the property change and all that. Expenses, you name it. So we gotta get this up top. We're gonna haul it up there. And yeah, stay tuned. This should be pretty exciting. Here comes the mom. This kind of gives it justice. It's a mountain. It's a wall. Want to be way over here and get your butt way over here to the left, because we've got to turn this tractor around before we get up there.
Hey,
This part of the old well there.
Back up there, then we can hook this to the front.
Now we got to just turn around. So you need to get way over here as far as you can. Kind of by this pumpkin and wire. Then we're gonna hook on and hopefully just kind of walk right out of here this way. That's the plan. We'll see. The truck should do most of the pulling. We just don't want to do any bending on the old tractor. Yeah, them knuckle joints are pretty old. Make sure they're in there all the way. See, this thing kind of slides in and out, which is weird.
Yeah,
But the bucket's still down though. I don't think we're gonna have a good time pulling this with the bucket down.
yeah, come on, pull us.
I think we gotta put the bucket up. Hold on. We got to rethink this. The bucket's still there. I think we got to lift the bucket before we're going to be able to get this done. But we're going to try and turn the wheel and pull it out. So you turn, and you pull.
Yeah, you realize you can reposition this?
Yeah, it's broken.
Just put it back.
Just put it back in there and leave it in there. It's almost killed me once. Go ahead. Chain's just about tight. Yeah, you're almost there. Whoa. Better put it low. Turn the wheel. Go! She didn't go anywhere, did she?
Oh, there's a little tug here, but it's about it.
Try again.
Thunder, Victor!
Ah, we're gonna have to rethink this. Back up. It's always another day. We can get this tomorrow. We got 2 days for the sale. Come on, guys. We gotta get that thing started. We gotta get the bucket up.
Dad,
Or we're not gonna get anywhere.
Dad, I gotta help Bob.
You can help Mom do what?
Try super fast, get that trailer off.
Yeah, we'll get it. All right, guys. Like and sub. Let's get this tractor out of here.